Peppa Pig and her friends arrive at school, excited for a day of art class. As they start to paint, they notice something strange. All the colors in their paint pots are starting to fade away. Miss Gazelle, their teacher, is puzzled by the vanishing colors. She suspects that something magical is happening and suggests the class investigate the mystery together. Peppa, George, and their friends, Susie Sheep, Pedro Pony, and Emily Elephant volunteer to solve the mystery. Miss Gazelle gives them a special magnifying glass to help them find clues. As they search the classroom, Peppa notices a trail of glitter leading out the door. The friends decide to follow it, hoping it will lead them to the source of the disappearing colors. The glitter trail leads them outside to the school garden, where they find the flowers have lost their bright colors too. They realize this is a bigger problem than they thought. In the garden, they meet a tiny, colorful butterfly who seems to be the only thing left with any color. The butterfly tells them that a mischievous magic spell has stolen the colors and hidden them around the school. The butterfly explains that to restore the colors, they must find 3 magical objects hidden around the school grounds. The first object is a rainbow gem hidden in the playground. The friends rush to the playground, where they search high and low for the rainbow gem. Pedro Pony spots something shiny near the slide. It's the rainbow gem.